All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Friday, January 2nd. Caught around 20 points today trading the Nasdaq. Pretty complicated day P&L wise, I will tell you that. I did actually lose money just because I did actually lose a lot of money on my Lucid trading account. So one that I've had for five, I think I've taken 5 payouts from them now. Adding up to a little bit over $30,000 in December. 6 payout is live. So I did risk pretty heavy last night. I went all or nothing on a trade. Figured I will either win big and get moved to live after this payout with a big balance, or I'll take my loss and cycle onto new accounts. I'll put it this way. I tried shorting Asia. If you take a look at Asia, we did not fill. Oh my God, we're about to fill it. Holy shit. This is literally new year opening gap. Like, it's like a new week opening gap, but to a whole different level, right? We have a new week opening gap right here. I want to fill this completely. I want to completely fill this. So I went short here, right, to this low. And then I went short again here. And then I went short again here. I was very bearish to these lows, to this gap, which it looks like we're probably going to fill now on NQ, right? That was my target. I don't know why. I don't know why we didn't fill it in Asia. I do think this is very sloppy price action on Asia's part, edging it just so New York AM takes it. I think that's sloppy because we did come and fill most of it, right? However, those are my draws. I did lose around $1,500 per account. And because of consistency rule, I just ended up deactivating them. I don't want to sit through 5 trading days to get another payout just to get moved to live. So I figured, you know what? I might as well just deactivate these accounts and go on to new funded accounts. So that was a 1,500 times 4 loss. So $6,000 loss there. If we're counting that, I don't even have those accounts anymore. I deactivated them like I mentioned before. And I got the Lucid Flex. I also got some TPT accounts, and I still have my Tradeify instant funding 50Ks, right? So today I made around, well, my copy trader didn't work correctly because my lead account made $420 and these only made 300, which is kind of fucking stupid. So let's just count it as 350 times 4, 1,200. So I lost, let's just say 4,500 today, right? And then I made a decent amount on all my evals. Hopefully I can pass these evals by the end of the week. That would be fantastic, right? Now for the trade I took, this short could very well play out. Very well play out. 2-week opening gap. Right? So I see this. I see coming into market open, people might think we're bullish, even though I know that we want to take new week opening gap or new year opening gap out. I see we're respecting this hourly gap and we have this hourly high above us. If we respect this 5-minute gap, I will be willing to go long, right? We never really respected it. The one time we respected it was right here. And if you look at ES did make an SMT at that high, right? So now we have an SMT at this high. So this long would have been a break even or a loss, or actually a win if you use my strategy and you take profit of the SMT, right? But instead, we ended up dumping. Now I figured, all right, maybe we want to respect OTE. Remember I teach you guys to treat this as an imbalance? Maybe we want to respect OTE, right? And push higher. We, in fact, did not. We closed below OTE several times, so deep in the range that at this point in time, it is pretty obvious we just want to take out these lows, right? So I entered in with a small stop loss, risking like 500 to make 500. Like I mentioned before, my copy trader for some reason only made 300, and I believe that's because this candle just wicked in and out so fast that it didn't fill most of them in the right spot and gave me a very poor fill on some of them. So the copy trade I'm using is Tradecopia. If anyone's interested, I'm not even sponsored. I don't even know if they sponsor people, but I'll let you guys know how they work. First day on it, and it didn't really copy trade my accounts that well. But TradeSyncer is the worst software known to mankind. I will stand on that. They have issues every fucking day. So if I actually want to copy trade coming into January, I do need a decent copy trader. I'd rather have a decent copy trader that at least copies my trades, because it did copy my trade. TradeSyncer doesn't even copy your fucking trades. It just says error. So pretty happy with that. Like I said, this is a trade. Pretty simple, based off what? Literally just based off displacement to a low after disrespecting OTE. Now in hindsight, you had an SMT here. Respected that, closed lower. Could have also taken this, maybe like 0.5 of the range. That could have been nice. You guys can also use these as targets, which is pretty cool. This is probably one of the worst trades that presented itself. But to be fair, I literally woke up here. I woke up at fucking 10. I was so stupid. I overslept my alarm. So here we go. You look at price. You can also see below us we had London, Asia, Midnight Open. Those are always my draws on liquidity. We had London, Asia, Midnight Open, and New Year opening gap, right? So in hindsight, I was always looking for shorts to those draws. I just needed actual confirmation, and disrespecting that 5-minute gap and disrespecting OTE of a bullish range was all the confirmation I actually needed, right? So pretty simple trading day, in my opinion. I don't know why these shorts here didn't play out. This is kind of strange that price did this. I don't think we should have swept this buy side. I think we could have just dumped to start off. Questionable price action, but it is what it is. We play with the cards we are given, or the hands we're dealt with. I don't know what the saying is. But pretty clean trading day. If you guys have any questions about the trading day, feel free to comment them. I will be there to answer. And I have something special coming for you guys soon. I haven't taken on students in a minute, but I do believe I'm going to start taking on students in a few days or weeks. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Trade safe and peace out.